found this map in a book called Nelson and His Neighbors, 300 Years by Rural English. And there's a copy of a grant plan, September 1805, Cumberland County. Anyways, I overlaid it in the georeferencer and notice Canadian Point right here. And how this works is that you can take points from here near Cardinal Brook, Strawberry Point, up south of Strawberry Point, and then your Canada Point, and you can adjust these points to overlap or stretch a map to overlay the properties. And some of the names like Henderson along here, Atkinson, Gun, a lot of guns in this, but the Gun is on the northern tip of Canadian Point, Atkinson, Henderson. And again, I think this Canadian Point was a big part of French. Anyways, you can bring it up and take it down to see the. What I'm going to do now is just add a LIDAR map in here to show how the same thing can correspond to the same area, and you get a sense of maybe having the correspondence. So I'm going to bring the LIDAR data in here. Go to Beauport Island, tools. So this is the Canada Point. It takes a while to bring in. I'll just pause the video. So these reference points, this brook is on the LIDAR map. Then I can go down, zoom in. These are the same locations as I go down here. I can actually change the type of map to, where is it, right here, to satellite map, so it's a better. So again, more points here, lagoons, this lagoon. See how the map oriented itself. Go down here, this is pretty exact compared to something in the, I'm going to use this house or building. Actually, this is Beauport Credit Union. And you can tell it hasn't turned much more. So I'm going to save those and use those as reference, compare and overlay it. So what's great about this, I've got Canada Point. Oh, I lost my other map. Shoot. And then you can see the overlay of the LIDAR from there. It's a little off there with the, but you can start to see maybe some of the developments in the area and get a feel for what was there in the past.